guys, hi. Welcome back to my channel. How is everybody doing? I'm here at home, just a normal day. Uh, did I go to work? Did I go to work today? I have some things to sort out, so I took the day to have something sorted out. Uh, if you guys are following, you would have realized I did a live this morning, but I had to end the live a bit sudden because I had something to do like immediately. So I had to cut the live extremely short than expected. But that's over and done with. That's okay. Um, my video that I'm doing right now, as you can see by the title, I'm talking about my skin, my diet versus my skin. So how does one influence the other? How does a diet influence your skin appearance, everything related to your skin, or vice versa? So, bear in mind that I'm going to talk about my experiences. They're not professional um, views. They're just my experiences, my thoughts, my opinions. If you can see right now, my face looks a bit shiny. Sorry for that. It was something that I had on my face earlier on, but I didn't wash it off as yet. I realized that me personally, I've had breakouts from around age 13, 12, 13 thereabout. I've been having breakouts. So my peak of breakouts were like around age 15 thereabout. At that stage of my life, persons saw me on the road and they were like, "Did you get burnt up? Fire burnt you? Like, why is your face looking like so scorched? Like fire burned your face, like your face was scorched or something like that." My breakouts were so awful, like they were so ugly. I hated taking pictures, not even my school ID pictures I was interested to take. But I eventually had to accept it. Because what am I going to do? I cannot peel my skin off. So I just had to accept it. When I was around 15, I think thereabouts, or maybe 14, that was at the peak of my breakouts, I got chicken pox. For those of you who know, chicken pox leaves, not everybody, but some persons, chicken pox leaves marks on your skin, like spots on your skin. And it is said that when you scratch it, that's when the marks leave. And if you know chicken pox, the bumps are going to scratch the hell out of your skin. It's hard to really ignore the scratching. It's like really hard to ignore the scratching. I got medication to rub, like a lotion thing to rub on my skin, and that was supposed to alleviate the itching, but it did not. For me, it did not alleviate the itching. So I scratched just the same. I have very few spots left on my back area that are really from the chicken pox. But when the chicken pox just went away, my face skyrocketed from the peak that I thought it was. And I thought the peak was like that 14, 15 age range. But when I got the chicken pox, it come like the bumps and the spots up to a notch a bit. And my face was like extremely ugly, like literally ugly. If I had any picture, I would have shown you in this video, but as I said, I hate taking pictures. Up to this day, I'm not so much of a picture person. The spots that were left on my face, I remember one day in grade 9, a teacher asked me, she didn't disrespectfully ask me, but she just asked me out of curiosity if I ever had chicken pox before. And I said yes. And she asked me if that was why my face looked like that. So I said to her that regardless of having chicken pox, my face was always looking like this. But the chicken pox made it a bit worse. So right there and then, like you hit a spot, like you know that damn, it really ugly, really obvious in your face, spotty. Anyhow, as I grew older, it got a little less. Like right now, my face is nothing compared to what it was. At one point in time, my forehead was black, like jet black. So many spots. To be honest with you, I would be surprised if persons in the back of their head, they kind of scorned me. I'm not sure if they did, but maybe persons did, but without my knowledge, right? So it was that ugly. At that time in my life, I wasn't really so focused on diet per se. I wasn't eating that healthy. Not that I'm eating the best now, but I'm eating much better than then. So fast forward to my early 20s now. Um, the spots have gotten less, and I've started to take more um, consideration into my diet. So I make it a point of my duty to have more water in my diet. I try my very best to eat more yogurt, more fruits, more vegetables. I wouldn't say I cut off entirely from fried chicken, because when it comes on to, if I'm going on the road to buy like a box food or a cook shop food, fried chicken is not my number one choice. If I go to KFC, I do not like KFC barbecue chicken. So it is definitely going to be spicy, which is fried chicken or the original. So right there is, it's fried chicken right there, right? I don't go to KFC like 7 days a week. Like once in a while I go to KFC. And whenever I do go, my only pick is the spicy or the original, which is fried chicken, which isn't all the way. I've tried to put more, because as I said before, eating a lot of citrus and all of that kind of stuff. I've tried some stuff on my face, and like natural stuff, honey and those kind of something. And there's this plant, bush herb, whatever you want to call it, that grows here in Jamaica. It's called Cersei. I'm not sure that's the correct name for it, but I realized that whenever I pick the Cersei plant and I boil some of it to make tea, if I drink it for a couple of days, like back to back, like 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday or so, I see some difference in my face. Persons say that because Cersei is bitter in taste, the bitterness cleanses your blood, it purges your blood, and that is why I see some difference in my face. I don't know the scientific explanation behind that, but I see where it does happen. It does work. I try my very best to drink some Cersei every now and then to help with my face. And I always realize that whenever I'm stressed out, whenever things are bothering me, I see that my face goes right back to square one, right back to zero, right back to zero. If there's anything that's bothering me, right now I'm having some plans putting in play. I'm having some plans right now, kind of putting pen to paper, and it's kind of overwhelming with these plans, and kind of stressing a little bit. And I realized that since the past month or so, my face is going back to heading back to square one. I realized also that whenever I use certain products, it does affect me as well. Your diet is totally linked to the outcome of your skin. I realize when my diet goes off, it shows back right on my skin. It is what you eat and put in your body that it reflects on you. So if you put bad stuff or unhealthy stuff in your body, it shows right back on your face. Not everybody that works for, but for me, that is what works for me. And I see where if I put effort in, because even the other day, since this, I'm having some plans going on right now, and it's like I literally don't even have time to drink water. and for the past few days I haven't really had that much water that I normally would have had, and I see where my face is going back to square one. Because even though I wear glasses, right, testing glasses, and for the past couple of years I've seen where the lens area, it shapes out around my eyes, and below that you see the spots, and right now my face is going back to square one, and I can't afford for it to go back so far back. I need to like put the effort again. Just don't let it go back to square one. I need to put back some effort in, and I can't afford for it to go back to square one. And as the title says, that that is linked to your skin. The things you eat, the sweets, the soda, the drinks, it's better you have water and juice, not sweet, killer kind of sweet juice, but moderately sweetened juice. And for me, I see where whenever I eat sweets, it does show on my face. And what else I normally do again? Oh, whenever I eat certain biscuits, certain flavor biscuits, it shows on my skin. I assume that that reaction that I had before, it was a biscuit that's marketed here in Jamaica. I don't remember the name of it. Whenever I eat that biscuit, I have some fine bumps that come under my chin area here. I guess that is just maybe an allergic reaction to the biscuit, I'm assuming. But the point is your skin is linked to your diet, how your skin looks and something like that. And normally when I'm watching some YouTubers, they have skincare routines. I usually follow my skincare routine with the products that I have, but whenever stuff get overwhelming and you're so busy, like you almost forget what to do, you just get out of bed and wash your face. You don't do the in-depth routine you normally do and stuff like that. And as I'm looking in the camera now and seeing my hair, the how you treat your hair makes a difference. How you comb your hair towards your face, your forehead, makes a difference as well. For persons who have dry scalp, whenever you're combing your hair, try to aim to comb away from your face. When you comb towards the face, maybe you want to drop some hair down your forehead or maybe a little bang or so, that does influence breakouts on your skin, because the dead scalp, the dead skin, when it comes in contact with your skin, it does cause breakouts. I've had that before. And just generally when you're combing your hair, whatever products you may have had used for the past couple of days, whenever I use Eco Gel or other products in my hair and they flake and they dry up and they flake up, if I'm combing my hair and the flakes come towards my face and I don't wash it off properly, I see the breakouts shortly after, like a day or two after, and that does make a difference as well. That does make a difference. I just wanted to make this video to explain how I endure my skin, how I my experience of skin versus my diet experience. And for those who have any comments to make, any suggestions, I need to try. I guess persons would recommend that I manage my time properly and try not to let things get out of control in order for me to manage my skin properly. I guess that would be my better recommendation to myself. Whatever you guys want to comment down below, any recommendations or stuff like that, feel free to comment all you wish. I'm open to opinions. I'm open to your suggestions, your comments, anything at all you want to say towards this video. And that'll be basically it. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And oh, I want to make another video one of these days. Maybe by like next week or so. I'm going to make a video that I'm pretty sure I'll get a lot of feedback on. I'm pretty sure. So, anywho, Thank you guys for tuning in, and I do hope you are having a great day and continue having a great one. And bye! See you in my next video.